this is how set up a Slack notification. So you can click on your workspace name, then select settings and administration, select workspace settings, click on it. Okay, great. So we have workspace settings in here. So let's go to the menu. And in the menu, let's go to Configure Apps. In Configure Apps, we need to select Custom Integrations. Okay, great. In Custom Integrations, we have incoming webhooks. So let's click on it. And you'll see, if you go to configuration, you'll see the list of all your custom configurations. But in our case, to create a new one, you can click Add to Slack. Then you can select a channel you would like to post to. Click Add Incoming Webhooks Integration. And here in webhook URL, you have the webhook URL, which you can copy. Then you can go to your testRigor application, go to Settings, then in Settings, you could go to Notifications, as such. Click Enable Slack Notifications, and you can paste your incoming webhook URL in here. Alright, after which you can click Save, and after you if you click Save, after you go to testRigor details and click Rerun, or you trigger your test suite from CI/CD using this script, then once it is completed, it will notify the channel which you have selected when you have created this webhook. Thank you very much.